Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 14th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar, I'm definitely still looking at this as going up. I still think this is going to make a higher low, higher low. I think it needs to go up and make a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C, which is part of this ABC of wave Y, which is, I believe, a W, 3 waves up, W, 3 waves down X, 3 waves up wave Y, which I still think needs to go up and take out these previous highs. So heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm definitely still looking at this as the end of a wave B. That would make this right here a wave 1. That would make this right here a wave 2. I think there's a very good likelihood that this would may go up and make a 3, 4, and 5 of the wave C of wave Y. Just like what I was explaining on the higher time frames. Heading down to the daily time frame, I personally think the correction is over. I think this wave 5 is at the top of a wave 1. I think this is downtrend wave A, 3 waves up wave B, downtrend wave C, 78% fib bounce. I believe this is the bottom right here. I think it's a wave 2. Now, I think there's a good chance that it will go down maybe at CPI news this week, but I think it may, if anything, it's probably just going to be a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, and possibly go back up for a wave 3 of 3 later on. But we don't even have any proof that this trend is over. I actually think it needs to go up more to complete the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of wave 1 of wave 3. So taking it down to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, I definitely think this is the end of an ABC correction right here. I think this is a nice 50% bounce. I believe that this will continue up. Maybe it will go down, take out these lows first before it goes up. Maybe not. Maybe this move down is just a correction to this move up. Either way, I am definitely looking for longs. I think that this needs to go up at least one more time. It definitely looks to me like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Definitely a little bit overlapping. And, the wave 4 potentially comes into the territory of wave 1, which is not supposed to happen. But it does happen very, very often in the real life market. So heading down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push up right here. And to me, this looks like 1, 2, 3 waves down. It looks like it's already the end of a correction. I would suspect that this will keep on going up. We have that PPI news today. We also have a Powell speech later on. And then tomorrow we have CPI. So it's going to be a pretty volatile week for the dollar. I think the dollar, this Aussie dollar at least needs to go up and take out these highs. Then if it turns back down and breaks structure, I would say that is the end of a wave 1 of wave 3, I believe. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live trading sessions. And it also gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.